Let's check out our fitness center. Very basic. Vending machine right there. I think they have a laundry room based off the conversation the other guy was having with their friends, front desk. So they got a fitness center, which is just checked vending, and then guest laundry down this way. See it right here. You said that one top left was the one having issues? Oh, that one? Okay. So I don't use the same one?
Is this? Oh, yeah. Oh, they got this one. Definitely.
Alright, that was a... Alright, let's go up the elevator. I've never seen that before. So this elevator has 4 floors. Alrighty. And there's a camera here too. I have a feeling I'm not gonna like it. Okay. Fridge. What we got down here? Do we got any pots and pans in here? Oh man, it took everything out. I don't think they got anything in here. Nothing in here. Nothing on top. You can cook, but if you have your own stuff, it's really inconvenienced. A microwave. Let's look at the bathroom. Very decent bathtub. Towels, toilet paper. They don't have the dispenser. Hey, 2 beds. No. And that's it. Very basic. And I do not want to stay here.